In the village where the sun shines bright, every day starts with the morning light. Roosters crow and the cows go moo, the fields are green with the morning dew. Oh, life in the village so peaceful and sweet, running through the meadows with bare feet, climbing trees and picking fruit all day. In the village we laugh and play. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, life in the village so peaceful and sweet, running through the meadows with bare feet, climbing trees and picking fruit all day. In the village we laugh and play. Farmers work from dawn to night, growing crops with all their might. The river flows with a gentle sound, in the village joy is all around. Oh, life in the village so peaceful and sweet, running through the meadows with bare feet, climbing trees and picking fruit all day. In the village we laugh and play. Oh, life in the village so peaceful and sweet, running through the meadows with bare feet, climbing trees and picking fruit all day. In the village we laugh and play. We dance around the fire so bright, under the stars on a moonlit night. Stories are told and songs are sung. In the village joy is all around. So peaceful and sweet, running through the meadows with bare feet, climbing trees and picking fruit all day. In the village we laugh and play. So come along, let's have some fun. In the village with everyone, where life is simple and hearts are free. In the village we laugh and play.